Hi, I'm Abby Mitchell and I'm a UH student and volunteer here at the Waikiki Aquarium. I'm an educator at our Edge of the Reef exhibit. The Edge of the Reef is really important to me because it allows me to be one-on-one with our marine ecosystem. Yes, we are very close to the beach, but it allows me to be very hands-on with not only our fish, but also our guests that come by. Our guests love the Edge of the Reef because it was one of the first exhibits allowing them to learn more about our native Hawaiian species through an up-close and interactive experience.
Hi, I'm Dane, educator volunteer here at the Waikiki Aquarium's Edge of the Reef exhibit. My humble opinion, and in the opinion I think of a lot of our visitors, the Edge of the Reef exhibit is Waikiki Aquarium's most iconic and unique exhibit. People are astounded at how vibrant and colorful our fish are, especially the international and mainland visitors. They have never seen fish that are this colorful. And, this is such a natural looking habitat because it's expansive, it's clear and it's shallow. And it really gives them a snorkeler's view of what they would see if they stepped out into the ocean out here and spent time. And this is what is so nostalgic to so many of the local fishermen and local divers, local families who've been coming here since 1986 when this exhibit first opened. Personally, have always enjoyed coming to the Waikiki Aquarium since I was a kid. My son and my nephews, I would bring them here to learn the fish names. So I would take them diving and fishing out here. And we came to the Waikiki Aquarium where we would have a close-up view and I could teach them the names of all the fish, the Hawaiian names. So, we have the palani, the pualu, the aholehole, which normally they have to go into the caves to find.
The Edge of the Reef can be a good representation and mirror image of our local waters. It also teaches guests the importance of ocean conservation and the importance of taking care of our environment.
I was pretty shocked and saddened by the news that due to construction reasons, Edge of the Reef exhibit would have to be deconstructed and removed, which to me is a tragedy, but a necessity nonetheless. We are really hoping and I guess urging the importance of bringing this all-important exhibit that is so uniquely Hawaii back to the Waikiki Aquarium, because this really epitomizes the lifestyle in Hawaii, the blue skies, the outdoor. I mean, this is just incredible out here.
We are asking for your support to help us create a better and improved Edge of the Reef so that future generations, as well as future UH students, can continue to learn, enjoy, and benefit from the important aspects of the Edge of the Reef.